Villa Elisa Resort. Bakit dun mo napiling gawin yung Henshin Revolution Weight Loss Retreat?
Villa Elisa Resort is a Bali-inspired resort that is a 5-star luxury resort. We want to provide all the attendees of the retreat the best experience. Yung feeling nila hindi talaga sila nag-exercise sa gym. Kumbaga para lang silang nagbabakasyon. And Villa Elisa is situated in the heart of nature. Kaya yung temperature malamig. And lastly, Villa Elisa is very known for its hospitality. Kasi Villa Elisa provides butler service. So, ibig sabihin, sa room, meron kang butler na tutulong sa'yo. Sa madaling salita, gusto namin na maramdaman ng mga attendees ng retreat na alagang-alaga kayo.
And they are all VIPs.
VIP experience.
May transformation experience na, may VIP experience pa.
Yes, dito sa retreat na to, hindi lang namin kayo students, you are our valued guests.
Yes.